Guys, it's Running Kimono, and I normally don't post deals this late, but I was at the Dollar General for like 10 o'clock right up till now, which is like 3 o'clock, and the deals are on with both digitals, and for a couple of these deals I threw in papers for my baskets, like one newspaper coupon and the rest digitals. So I'll walk you through that. When you can get a basket of $25 down to $2.85, it's totally what it's about. And I did it here, and I also did it here. And then we have some overage items over here we're gonna talk about in a second. Hi to my mom, if she's watching. We have a weather report and we have 2 little kitty cats. I gotta speed up this video so they can eat. I gotta feed them really soon. It's a cold and miserable one, and if you're on the roads, be safe out there, because it's not a lot of fun. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is the overage little dealio. And I'm going to show you guys the UPCs for these ones. They're kind of on a curve, so just bear with me. Both the chocolate and the French vanilla, this is a single serve Ensure shake. Where I found this at the store, guys, was, you know, at the front where they have that, like they have a shelf that's all black, and usually around the holidays they have like the gift sets on it, and there's always like, you know, little odds and ends that you might pick up before you check out. I found them towards the bottom, and they had a whole bunch of like C4 power drinks, and then they had these Ensures. Of the 3 stores I visited today, only one of them had these, so, and there wasn't a lot left. So either the milk chocolate or the French vanilla, and I'll show you the UPCs for in a second. Now, these guys are $1.50 each, so for 2 of them, that's $3. There was a 5 off of 2 digital that you could load, I think, on Wednesday or Thursday. If you didn't load it on those 2 days, you can't load the coupon because the coupon has since just like, it's no longer available. And on the app, you can't find this coupon. However, if you go on a desktop computer, the coupon is still on your account. So I kind of took a leap of faith today if this was gonna work or if this was not gonna work. I grabbed 2 of these in its own transaction for $3. Now I had the 5 off of 2 loaded to my store card, so I would have $2 of overage. So I grabbed these sponges. They're $1 each for a pack of 2, and they're not bad. So I grabbed, you know, 2 of them. So this all together was $5 on the nose. Punched in my phone number at checkout, and it was free. I just paid 12 cents. Okay, and just to show you guys exactly what they look like, ounces and all that stuff, and to show you the barcodes, and sorry they're kind of curved, you can't scan this with the app to make sure that the digital coupon will attach, because the coupon is no longer in the app, but it's on your desktop computer. So it's still working, although it's no longer in the app, which is really bizarre. You got to take a leap of faith with this one, and as you can see, it does in fact work. I did it, and it worked for me. So if you did load that 5 off of 2 coupon, if you want to give this a shot, go for it. But when this is going to completely get pulled, or when this is going to be completely over, I don't know, guys. Another alternative for this, if you wanted to do something a little different, was to grab 2 of these and to throw in a Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaner. This guy is $3. There's also a $1 digital coupon. So this would be 6. Subtracting the 5 off of 2 and the $1 coupon, you would just pay tax. If you don't want, I mean, you can get whatever you want, but if you wanted just an idea, like if you wanted multi-surface cleaner, that would be a good idea. Do this sooner than later. Here's why. I think they're going to pull this coupon altogether, and when they're going to do that, it's completely unknown. And this is a sort of deal like leap of faith. If you did load it, check on a desktop computer. It's a 5 off of 2, and make things happen. Guys, the next 2 deals that I did, they're with the 5 off of 25, and I used 1 paper coupon from the February P&G that was a free item coupon for this. It scans perfectly at the Dollar General. And I also had a digital for this. So I grabbed 2 of them. The stores that I visited today had an insane amount of these. And I was like, what? Yeah, a lot. So I grabbed 2 of these at $3 each. That's 6. 2 of the L'Oreal Elvises, these are $3.60, so 2 of them is $7.20. We have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon. We had a $3 digital coupon for that. The Rexall pills for $2. We have a $2 digital, making that completely for free. We have the Mr. Clean. I have a $1 digital coupon for that. This guy is $3. This Crest double pack is $2.50, and we had a $2 digital coupon that's attaching to that. And then the Nivea is $3.65, and we have a $2.50 coupon. So adding all of this up together, not including this spick and span, that's $24.35. So I was short to get to my $25 mark. So I went to the dollar spot and got this little cleaner for $1. So the new total for this entire basket, guys, is $25.35. When I got to the store and the cashier started scanning my items, that's when I punched in my phone number. And then after she scanned the last spick and span, I handed over the coupon for this item, only 1 paper coupon. She scanned that, $3 came off the basket. And then also I had $14.50 of digital coupons, plus the 5 off of 25. So it shaked this basket out. It shaked this basket out to $2.85 for the 9 items. It's basically 31 cents each, which is a really fantastic deal. Like, I love this sort of deal when you can get this much stuff that cheap. That's what it's all about. Okay, so this next little dealio, the first one I had to put the double pack of Crest because somebody at my store cleared all of the Playtex, but this store, they actually had some Playtex. So I'm gonna go through the math again. It's a very similar basket, just it has the Playtex instead. So we have the Nivea lotion for $3.65, Playtex for $3.50, Rexall for $2. 2 of these for $7.20, 2 of these for $6, and then this guy for $3 on the nose. So the total for this basket was $25.35. I presented 1 $3 coupon for this, and then the following digital coupons came off: $1 for this, $3 for this, a 4 off a 2 for this, a 2 for this, a 2 for this, and a $2.50 for that. So after all of those coupons came off, which was $14.50, I had to pay $2.85 again, plus tax. So, I mean, that's just absolutely fantastic. And if you can try and make it out to the Dollar General, I would. This is a really great weekend for some deals and steals. And if you were so very smart to load the 5 off of 2 for this guy, use it sooner than later, guys. And when you can get $2 of overage for something like this or Mr. Clean, that's absolutely what it's about. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.